guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Kenny. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and reviewing of the Treasuretress subscription box. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. You can also press that bell beside the subscribe button so you're notified of my new uploads. Anytime I have a new video up there, you'll be the first to get the notification. So like I said, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the products in this month of October Treasuretress monthly subscription box. Like I said, Treasuretress, it's a monthly subscription box in which you pay £20 and you get full-size products that are enough for a full wash day every month. And they do collaboration with different brands like Cantu, Shea Moisture, Main Choice, and all these natural hair brands. You get different brands every month and you get full-size products from these brands. And these products, they are products that are enough for a full wash day. Like you get the shampoo, you get the conditioner, you get the moisturizer or and styler. At times you get maintenance products, which products you can use in between wash days to maintain your hair. The brand they collaborate with for this month is Pantene, and the products in this month's subscription box are the Pantene Gold Series products. We have Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost Shampoo, the Moisture Boost Conditioner, the Hydrating Buttercream, and the Intense Hydrating Oil. So those are the products for this month's Treasuretress subscription box. So I'm going to be reviewing these 4 products today. I'm going to be doing a complete and full wash day, from shampooing to moisturizing and protecting my hair like this. So if you enjoyed this video, like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, so this Pantene Gold Series line, all the products in this line, they are all infused with argan oil. For the shampoo, it's in a cylindrical bottle with a pump. I love it. The pump is beautiful and it's easy to get the product out. For the conditioner, I love the packaging. You squeeze the conditioner out, apply it to your hair. I love it. But for the styling products, I don't like my styling products coming in packaging like this. I've always said it. I love dipping my hand in tubs, but when it's all using pump, if it comes to me squeezing out the products, you just get products all over the packaging once you are done with your hair, because you have to be picking it up every time to squeeze out the product. So I'm not a fan of this kind of packaging for styling products or moisturizing products. And for the oil, I really love it. It comes in 95ml bottle, which you could just squeeze out here. So I'm going to move into the demo now. That I'm going to come back to give you my final thoughts on each of these products. Okay guys, this is my hair. This is what my hair is looking like now. I'm going to start by cleansing my hair with the Moisture Boost shampoo. The things it claims to do are, it claims to gently cleanses and instantly softens for stronger, more manageable hair. That's the color of the shampoo. It's an off-white color. It smells so good. Does it soften my hair? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. It does. Can even detangle my hair with the shampoo. See that? Hair feels so clean and soft. That squeaky sound when something is clean, that's how my hair is feeling. And this is my scalp. I'm going to follow up with a conditioner to condition my hair. What I'm going to be doing is I'll be mixing the conditioner and the oil together to intensify it. Then I'm going to deep condition with the Pantene Gold Moisture Boost Conditioner mixed with the Intense Hydrating Oil, and I'll deep condition with that. This is the conditioner I mixed with the oil, so I'm going to use it to deep condition my hair now. It feels so soft in my hair, so moisturizing in my hair. Look at that. It feels so soft and moisturizing in my hair. Look at that. this is very moisturizing, extremely moisturizing. My hair feels so soft and sleek and moisturized. So now I'm going to start detangling my hair. So now I'm out of the shower. This is what my hair it's looking like. It feels so soft, so nice. Oh my goodness, my hair feels so nice and soft. So now I'm going to move into moisturizing it. For today's style, I'm going to be putting my hair in cornrows after moisturizing it. Moisturize and style my hair. I'm going to be using the Hydrating Buttercream and also the Intense Hydrating Oil. So those are the two products I'm going to be using to moisturize and style my hair. Okay guys, so taking this section of hair now, I'm going to take the Pantene Gold Hydrating Buttercream. This is what it looks like. It's white in color. It's not too thick and it's not too liquidy. So that is what it looks like. It smells like every other, like the shampoo and the conditioner too. So now I'm going to apply it to my hair. What I love about this moisturizer is that it doesn't give that white cast. I've been using it. I've used it for all this area. It doesn't give that white cast most moisturizer gives in hair. So this is what it looks like. It looks more like a serum than oil. I don't know, it's not as runny as most oil. I've used argan oil before. I remember argan oil, they are not as runny as most oil, so it looks very similar to argan oil. It smells very similar to they have same perfume to all of the products. So this is me applying it to my hair. My hair. I don't know how to explain how to cornrow because I get asked a lot of times that, oh, how do you cornrow? Do video on how to cornrow. I tried it, I filmed it, but explaining it is not easy to do. All I know is that you put your hair in 3 sections, like 1, 2, 3, and you put them, you twist them or you braid them around one another, and you add hair as you go along. So I don't know how to explain it honestly. My cornrow. Now I'm going to twist the whole length of the hair. That way it's easy for me to take it out. Last section of hair, I'm going to be repeating the same thing. I'm taking the Hydrating Buttercream. Take more of this and I'm going to rub it through my hair. Okay guys, so like you saw in that demo, for the shampoo, I really love it. A little bit goes a long way. It lathers really moist, it lathers really well, it's very moisturizing, and it cleanses my hair really well. As you saw in that demo, there was this squeaky sound when I was touching my hair after I rinsed the shampoo out. It cleanses my hair really well and really fast. It doesn't dry my hair out. If you're looking for a very good moisturizing shampoo, go for this. And it has, as you can even see in that video, I could detangle my hair with that shampoo because it's very moisturizing and really nice in my hair. For the conditioner, I really love it. This, I can say this is my favorite product in this line. I love this conditioner. When I deep conditioned with it, my hair felt so nice, so lightweight, so soft. My hair felt so good. Even after I got out of the shower and I was about to start my hair, touching my hair felt so good, so moisturized, so soft, so strong, so beautiful. It's what I want. It's what I want my hair to feel like after washing it. That is how my hair felt with this conditioner. I deep conditioned and detangled with it, and it has amazing sleep. It's lightweight. It didn't weigh my hair down. My hair drank it up like water. Very moisturizing, really nice conditioner. I love it. I love it. The styling products, the hydrating buttercream, apart from the packaging, I really love it. You know what I love most about this buttercream is that, unlike most moisturizers that I use, that after applying it to my hair, it leaves me with this white residue. This didn't do that. It's like my hair drank it up immediately. Like, it didn't leave my hair with white residue. If you have low porosity or thick fuzzy hair like mine, you know what I'm talking about. When we apply stylers or moisturizers to our hair, it just stays on top of it and takes forever for that white cast to go away. This didn't do that. My hair like drank it up. It didn't leave that white cast, that white residue in my hair, and that is what I love most about it. It's very moisturizing, as you saw it in that video. It's very, in that demo, it's very moisturizing. It's really nice. I love it. It's one of my favorite. All those products I really love. The oil I really love. This looks more like a serum than a oil. I added it in the conditioner to deep condition my hair because that is how I feel like you can easily get oil to penetrate into your hair. Is when you add it in your deep conditioner. They're going to penetrate, they're going to work alongside the conditioner to really penetrate your hair. So I use it alongside the conditioner to deep condition my hair, and I also use it to seal, and also use it alongside with the hydrating buttercream to moisturize my hair. It's, like I said, it looks more like a serum than a oil. If you're used to using argan oil, that is what most argan oil looks like, or that is how they feel like. They don't look greasy or oily like most oil. They have this serum like look and feel to them. It's very lightweight. And my hair absorbed it really well. My hair didn't, it's not like dripping all over me or leaving my hair greasy or anything like that. It left my hair shiny but not greasy. That is the word, shiny but not greasy. So all these 4 products, they all have very similar scent. They smell like, they have these full feminine, lovely, nice scent to them, and I really love all the scents. Like I said, they all have the same scent. Very beautiful, and yeah, it's really nice. I love their scent. So all these products, I really love them, and that is what I use for this full wash day, and I'm protecting my hair. I want to let my hair rest. I've been wearing it out too often, so I'm trying to keep it like this for like 3, 4, 5 days, or maybe a week before I take it out. So that is that for my review of the Pantene Gold Series, which came in the Treasuretress October box. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Your thumbs up goes a really long way in upping my videos, so please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Let me know if you enjoyed this review in the comment section below. If you'd like me to be doing this full wash day reviews, like doing full wash days and showing different styles after my wash day, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing it and reviewing more products on my channel right here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like I said. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me nice comments in the comment section below. Please like my video, subscribe, leave me nice comments, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video.